Hello everybody, this is Uttam and today I am going to unboxing the C525 Logitech HD webcam. This is a HD webcam. This is side view. The system requirement: compatible with Windows 10 or later, Windows 8, Windows 7 and Mac OS. I am using this Mac OS. Now I am going to unbox this C525 portable HD webcam. So this is paper. How to set up your webcam in your computer. The setup procedure. So I got the wrap. There is nothing in the box. Some paper regarding this webcam, the knowledge of this webcam. In the box, recently I got this lockdown and I want to, because my computer has not a webcam, and I can't of me this one. This is one app 720p HD 8 megapixels camera, built-in mic noise reduction. This is the sound recorder of this webcam. Now you can listen. You hear the sound of this webcam. I am recording. Thank you for watching my channel. Please subscribe and don't forget to click bell icon.